How to use WhatsApp beginner's guide. So go to the Play Store or the App Store, go to search, and you want to type in WhatsApp. We're now going to install WhatsApp. After we've installed WhatsApp, we're going to open it up, choose your language, and then agree and continue. You can allow WhatsApp to send you notifications if you want. We're now going to verify our phone number. So just select your country code and your region, and then just type in your phone number. Once you type it in, click on next. It's going to send a 6-digit code to your number. Now, once you've signed up to WhatsApp, you can allow access to both your contacts and your media. Now, once you've signed in with your phone number onto WhatsApp, you can go to send message. It will then be showing you all your contacts on your phone, and if they have WhatsApp installed, they're going to appear right here. You can then just click on their contact. It's then going to bring you to the message page with them. I'm just going to type in like, hi, for example, to my friend. Now, if I just go back, they're going to appear here in the messages list. So I could just go to my friend again. You can also call them. So you can start a video call and call them. You can also video call them. You can start a video call. You could also send them a picture or an attachment. Click on the paper clip. You can go to your gallery. You can take a picture right now. You can send them your location, your contact, any documents, or you can make a poll or any events coming up. So let's say I want to send them a picture. I'm going to go to my gallery. I could just send them a picture right here. You could also send a voice message. So if I just hold on this button, I say hello, 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 and I let go, it's going to send them a voice message. If I just play that again. On this button, I say hello, 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 hello. It sends them a voice message. You can also change the speed of the voice. On this button, I say hello, 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 hello. Just like that. You could also send emojis and GIFs. If you click right here, there's some emojis you can send. There's some GIFs you can send as well. You can search up as well any GIFs that you want to send. You could also send some stickers. This stuff will come up. You could also search for whatever sticker that you want. If you want to add a contact on WhatsApp and they do not appear here, then you want to click on new contact. You can type in their first name and their last name. This is optional. You can actually skip this. And then you want to put their country code and then type in their phone number. If they have got WhatsApp installed, and as long as you've got the country code and the phone correct, then just click on save. It will tell you that this person is either already in your contacts or it's going to say you can message them. So once you type that in, just click on save. It's then going to give you an option to message them. If you want to make a group chat, click on this button right here and then click on new group. You can add all the numbers that you want. If you have like more contacts here, you could just add them all and then just make a new group. Call it any group name that you want. Just call it Speedy. You can also add the image to the group. And then let's just make the group chat. You now have a group chat. You can also add new members if you want to. And you can invite members with a link or QR code. That's just the basics of WhatsApp right there. That's pretty much all you need to know as the basics for now. And yeah.